Hi everyone, this is Charlene, and I'm here to share my latest journal with you all. My son lives in Nevada. He has a beautiful girlfriend who has actually a beautiful daughter and a granddaughter. And she requested that I make a journal for her daughter, and her granddaughter. So I've finished her daughter's journal. She wanted it with dragonflies and butterflies, and I made it with a kit from Calico Collage. And then the butterflies, I don't remember where I got those, but I used cardstock, and then I covered it with another layer of cardstock, and then this is from the kit, and I cut it. This is one of the pages, and I cut it in half, and I put half on the back and half on the front. And I have some really pretty pink organza ribbon with gold on it, and I'll explain this in a minute. So we'll just take a quick look. This is a beautiful kit from Calico Collage. I'm just going to check and make sure I have. Okay, so it says property of, and then I put a side tuck here. It helps reinforce it, and it also works as a tuck. So I have this journal paper, and then I have a little book, just a little place to write, and here I'm going to stamp and the story begins. So it's not a real chunky journal because I'm not sure if she journals or what she even likes. I don't even know if she's ever seen or heard of a junk journal before. So anyways, I did some lined paper. This whole journal is made from just one kit. And here's another page, and then I left some of them plain so that she could write, and I made pockets out of them, and I put these tags in here. Everything is tea stained, and I used vintage photo to ink around it. And here's another pretty page, and this, oops, got a little extra. This is like a little top belly band with a little hanging journal place on it. So I did that. And then here's, oh, I also did some collaging with papers from the kit. I printed them up, I don't know which ones, and then I tore them and glued them and made a collage out of them. And then I tried to put a lot of butterflies in it because she liked dragonflies and butterflies. Here's some more lined paper and a dragonfly. And then this is a little envelope that goes over the page, and it has a pretty journal card in it. Whoops. Normally I don't use journal kits. I just do sort of eclectic vintage style. So this was a little harder for me to make because it was out of my comfort zone. But Mary Lou has helped me to know how to use a kit. Anyway, she just helped me a lot. Thank you, Mary Lou. So after these, I'll be better off. So here's some more digital paper, some more lined. These are beautiful. If you love dragonflies, then you'll love this. And here's a little poem called Without an End about dragonflies. And then I put one of my flowers here that I make. Some more lined paper. And another little, this is a little faux envelope. And it tucks right there. Oops. This is the center. This is the first time I've used waxed linen thread. I've always just used a different kind of thread, but I'll tell you what, I'm sold on it. I really like it. It was so easy to work with. And I have another blank page and Just some journal paper. I'm a little bit shaky today. Oh gosh. So some lined paper, pretty designs. So this is one of the pieces of ephemera. And I put a little booklet there. A couple of tags here. The pocket. I like that these lines are kind of far apart for when I journal, I love to write. In fact, on my journals, some of the pages go this way with the lines and some go vertical. And another little piece of ephemera. And then here's a side tuck with a couple more tags. Isn't that pretty? I love the colors of this. Another pocket with a butterfly. I sure hope she likes this. Here's another collage I did, and put a butterfly there. The lined paper. And then a back tuck here, and I'm gonna put something in there. I just haven't finished that quite yet. So this, excuse me, is I got it online, and if you would like to know from who, I will look it up. But it says it's a letter from a journal maker. I kind of changed it around, and because they don't know about journals, I put, this is called a junk journal. It has many tucks, tags, pockets, and little pages to journal on. It was made with tea-dyed papers for a vintage look. And then it explains how you can use a journal and how someone in the future might find it, and they would be so joyed. They would be so happy to find a journal written by you. But if you're like me, I don't want anybody reading my journals, so I put, or this journal can be your very own private place to write your personal thoughts and feelings for your eyes only. And the story will not stop here. There's so much to say about your life and those you know. So keep writing, my friend. The adventure has only just begun. Happy journaling. So that's a really pretty little message. And then I have some extras that I'm putting in the envelope too. So this is for my girlfriend's daughter. And in my next, I'm going to decorate the front a little bit. So in my next video, I'm going to show the one I am making for her granddaughter, which is with puppy dogs and kitties. And I also used Calico collage and Mrs. Coggs. So I'm working on that, and it should be finished in a couple of days. And then the last video I show will be the one that I made without a journal kit. It's just my eclectic style. So anyways, I'll call this one of 3. So thank you so much for watching, and please take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.